Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and test the RapidX Myport 10,000 mAh power bank, 10-watt wireless charging. In the box, you'll get the user manual, a 3-feet charging cable, a optional dock lip, charging stand, and a power bank 10,000 mAh. Myport is the ultimate triple threat of charging by combining a phone stand, power bank, and wireless charger all in one. When at home or in the office, just prop your iPhone, Android, or other Qi-enabled device on the stand to effortlessly charge your device. The stand simultaneously provides easy, hands-free viewing and wireless charging of your mobile device. When Myport is in phone stand mode, the portable power bank is continuously charging. Then, when you're ready to head out, simply detach the charging pad from the stand to use Myport as an on-the-go power bank. This portable feature conveniently offers 2 charging options: either charge your tablet or phone by connecting any USB or USB-C cable, for fast charging, or just rest your phone on the power bank for a wireless charging experience. Myport gives you the flexibility, confidence, and speed to keep your devices powered up wherever life takes you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.